So this is something like Emperor Palpatine from Star Wars would have hired or recruited Princess Leia. Imagine the rebellion, you know. That is really a treacherous move, the least expected one.
Yeah.
But 20 billion is a lot of money, I guess, and we might go into why Adobe did that, in at some point. But basically, what we saw was people really wanting a way out of that
Yeah.
trap, waiting a way out of monopolistic practices, a way out of a toxic brand, a way out of greedy brand, a way out to make sure that they would have a future-proof ownership of their designs and work, and that hasn't really faded away.
Hmm.
It's not one of those cases where people erupt in discontent, and then a month or a week, even a week later, everyone's cool. You can still feel the rage.